Okay, so the last time we worked on slides, I just showed you some basic information and showed you how to make some transitions. Today, I think what I want to show you is how we're going to take that information where the research that you did on your animal, and we're going to put it into a slideshow. So I want you to get a new Google Slides. And I want you to type the name of the animal that you had chosen. And for a subtitle, you can write your name. Now you know how to triple click to select and change the title, how to choose to make it bigger, how to change the color so that it kind of matches what we're doing. You can do the same for your name. If you choose to do something different, that's okay too. All right, so here's my background. Now, let's say you don't want to use any of the themes that we had over here. We can just do a solid background for this. So we can go to Format, actually right here to Background. Do you see it? Click on Background. Here's the color. It's white. We will not be choosing an image, but you can choose how you want that to look. Pretty nice. So here's my title. Here's my name. Then I want you to add, and I want this one to be title and body because you're going to tell some information about your animal. All right. So when you're here, I would like you to write the word habitat because that will tell where your animal lived. Remember here, I want sentences. And continue your sentence. You might have one or two. Well, this is pretty small. When I get my sentence done, that might be kind of small. So I can, again, I can change the font. Now, I don't want it to be something that's really hard to read. But I want to think carefully about what I'm doing and making sure that it's big. If I make this box, see how it went outside the box? If I make the box a little bit bigger, it'll fit in there, okay? And then I can talk about where my hedgehogs live and put that information on there, all right? So continue writing your information about your habitat. And then I will go on and have you add another title and body. We're going to title this one Food. And then guess what? We're going to write sentences about the food that your animal likes to eat. After food, we've got one more slide to add. And again, title and body. And this is going to be those fun facts that you wrote. Now, this one's going to have 3 different sentences. So we can do a couple of things here. I can choose it to be a numbered list and write 1, 2, and 3. Or I can choose this one, which is a bulleted list, where it's going to show me little marks before each one. When you type your fact, whatever it is, when you're done, you're going to press enter, and it's going to give you another bullet or a number. make it large so that it fills up most of the page. Set your fonts the way you want to. All right. The last thing that we're going to do is I want you to find 4 different images of hedgehogs to put on here. So I can go out to a new tab. I can type my hedgehog. I can go to images. And it's a good thing that I get to pick 4 because some of these are really cute. So I click on my picture once, and then I'm going to click it again. And I'm going to say, save image as. This one is calling it hedgehog, and I might get lots of them. So I'm going to call it hedgehog. I clicked on there and I just added the number 1. So this is hedgehog 1, and I'm going to save it. I can close this and go back. I've got to have 4. Save image as. Again, great big long name. I'm going to call it hedgehog 2. All right. Okay. Going back to my slides about my hedgehog. Now I can do background. I don't know if you saw this before, but I can choose an image and I can upload it and I can put in hedgehog 1, but I don't see it here. There's hedgehog 1. Once I click it, I can say open. It might take a little bit of time. And then I can say done. Now, notice once I did that, my hedgehog, I can't read that word anymore, and I can't read my name. So I'm going to do some moving of my words. And if I still can't read it, I might have to change the color. But with this one, I know for a fact, if I move it up, I will be able to read my title. There's my title. Click down here 3 times. And let's pick a different color for the name, maybe along the lines of what I had before, and now you can see it. If I choose this for my other picture, this one I'm not going to put it in as the background. I'm just going to insert, image, upload from computer, and this time I'm looking for hedgehog 2. I can make him smaller and move him over here. Now, you might have to rearrange your words, and if you do, notice that this will wrap. I might have to make it smaller, but that's not a problem. We can do that. You can move things around and arrange it however you'd like to. So I'm expecting to see an image on each page. Don't forget, we also know how to do transitions. So once you're all done adding your pictures, then you can work on transitions. Those are your choices. Remember, it automatically saves every time you close it so that you don't have to worry about doing that. So have fun, learn lots, and I'm anxious to see your animal videos.